Hazrat Ali described about love as man la nat ari katahu wajabat muhabbatuhu. The one who is tender hearted, his love becomes obligatory. Man lana auduhu kasafat aghzanuhu. The tree which wood is soft keeps more branches. He said, Man waddaka li amrin waliya inda inkaza'ihi. One who loves you mere with the purpose, he will turn you back after the completion of the purpose. Mawaddatu abna'i dunya tazulu li adna aris. Love based on worldliness ends in trifles. He mentioned قلوب الرجال وحيات فمن تألفها أقبلت إليه. A man's heart is savage. Whoever loves him bends towards him. He further said, Rubba akhir lam talidho ummuka. You have many brothers whom your mother did not give birth to. Man akha fillahi ghanama. One who makes brother for the sake of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will be in advantage. Waman akha li dunya haruma. And one who does brotherhood for the sake of the world will deprive.